Hey guys, it's Jonina here from Lowy, and today we're going to take you through our mini tutorial on our beautiful model Kiara. So our Curls Made Easy routines, there are 5 different routines, and today we're going to take you through how to do a wonderful routine on your under 12s. This routine is something that Kiara can do herself and mastered beautifully. So if you are watching this and maybe you're in a salon situation and you're trying to understand how to work with younger hair and natural curls, then this video is for you. Or maybe you're a mum or a dad or a grandparent or carer of somebody who has amazing natural curly hair. Well, then this tutorial is for you. So let's jump on in. So to start with today on Kiara's hair, we have shampooed or cleansed her hair with the Nourish and Flourish shampoo. Then I've gone through and hydrated her hair with also the Nourish and Flourish conditioner. Kiara's hair is quite healthy. It didn't feel super dry, so that was a really great product selection. The only time I would use the Drench and Quench is maybe if she's been in the sun or the surf or a lot of chlorine pools, that kind of thing, then I would jump to that. Our brush choice today was our Detangler Flexi brush. It's Kiara's favorite to use on her hair. Really soft on her scalp, yet so effective at detangling and getting rid of those knots. So we're gonna get started on styling her hair. Now the first step to styling Kiara's hair for our lax Curls Made Easy routine is we are going to split the hair into 2 sections. So you can use your finger, you can grab a tail comb, however it's easiest for you to basically put one bundle of hair on one side and one bundle of hair on the other side. Reason we do this is a good amount of hair for you to focus on, and you're more likely to get all of the hair at the back and not miss any sections. Now our first product that we will start with on Kiara's hair is Cruise Control. Cruise Control is excellent at priming the hair. It is really great at just putting that really soft, natural movement through the hair, but no strong hold. As I'm spreading this product through Kiara's hair, one of the most important things is I am using my hands as the first applicator of the product, just with open hands. The reason being is your fingers are great appliers, so just open hands, and I'm kind of crisscrossing as I distribute the product through. You want to make sure you do get product from roots to ends. It's really common for kids to get really gorgeous little quite flyaway hairlines or edges. So you want to make sure we really capture all those pieces. Then we're going to pick up our flexi brush, whichever one is in your bathroom. And we are going to work at really making sure we have distributed this product evenly and thoroughly, so that we get a really insane and beautiful result for Kiara's hair today. Now we're going to layer over the top for Kiara's hair. We're going to put Oomph, which is our hydrating gel. Gels are really essential for helping seal in hydration and also give really long-lasting definition. So I'm using about a 20-cent size of Oomph in this side of Kiara's hair. One of the greatest things about Oomph is its water base, which means the next day when Kiara wakes up, all she needs to do is spritz her hair with a little bit of water, give it a little detangle, and it will reactivate and reinvigorate the product in her hair. So you don't have to apply this multiple days. Just reignite the power of Oomph. So I'm distributing it exactly the same way as Cruise Control. Then I'm grabbing the detangler and working through again. We're going to now repeat this whole routine of Cruise Control and Oomph on the other side. Okay, so we have now thoroughly distributed our Cruise Control and Oomph Hydration Gel. And now what I'm gonna do is, obviously we've got a big line through the back of Kiara's head. So what you would wanna do is just come through and begin to break up and just run your fingers through to create the curl clumps. At this point, it all might be a bit large, the curl clumps, and we really wanna make them lovely and small. Now the hair is still soaking wet at this point, and you can see Kiara's hair just kind of gravitates back to one another, and that will just continue to happen. So if your goal is a lot of different smaller curl clumps, then continue to work at creating and kind of breaking apart the curl clumps. There she goes. Or if your goal is larger curl clumps, then you can grab sections and you could give them a little jiggle and let them join together in larger curl clumps like so. For us today, I want maximum volume and lots of little curl clumps, so I am keeping my curl clumps smaller. Once you're happy with that, we are going to pop on our curl quenching glove. And this glove is incredible at removing the excess moisture from the hair, but not removing the product. So you place it on just like a little mitt, grab the bottom of the curl clump like so, and bring it up to the scalp, and you're just going to pulse like a little stress ball. What this is doing is helping to dry the curls, but not create any frizz. And you'll continue this around the head until you're happy with the amount of moisture that you have taken from the hair. Now, this process is really key for those girls that have wavier hair and are trying to establish more natural curl. So the more you do this process, the more you are going to encourage curls to form, and you're gonna build bigger, juicier curl clumps. Now, what's one of the key things you'll be able to see as I'm bringing the hair in, I am just picking it up with like a pinch. Really key that we do this. Curly hair, when it's at this point, is at its most fragile. So really important to just gently pick it up. We don't want to rake through any more from this point onwards. So just pick it up gently and let it fall. Not really vigorous up and downs. That's the most important thing. Now from this point onwards, Kiara, we could let her hair just naturally air dry. She could go and read a book, go and play outside, do whatever was happening. If you wanted to, now is our option that we can start to use a hairdryer and come in and start to diffuse her curls. Now we're gonna start drying Kiara's hair. So there's two different techniques you can use depending on how curly the client's hair is or your child's hair is. So one of the techniques is literally just what we call a hover diffuse. So you've got the dryer going and you're trying not to disturb or tangle or increase any of the natural curl. So you can just come over the surface of the hair like so. I find this is the most least invasive. The other option is when you're trying to build curl, what you can do is come in from underneath. Same motion as what we were doing when we were holding the glove and drying the curl, is just grab it from the end and build it up to the roots. When you do this motion, you are maximizing the amount of curl. You are also going to build curl formation from the roots through to the ends. So this technique is really great for wavier curly girls or when you're trying to build maximum amount of volume. Okay, so now Kiara's hair is lovely and finished in its drying. The best way to tell if the hair is completely dry is to just give the curl clumps a little pinch. Find a larger curl clump, and if when you pinch it, it feels soft on the inside and not damp, then you know that you're fully dry. So there is a final little cast or kind of like a little crunch feeling to the ends of the finish of Kiara's hair. So the best way to work out that crunch is, you can see I'm just grabbing the hair like so and pressing down. Another thing, you can go and just give it a little shimmy if it feels a bit stuck down at the roots. Or a personal favorite of mine is to grab all the hair and just pull it up like so. And once you've done that, you can grab the ponytail and give it a fun little shake. The kid will love this. And you're just basically getting all of that lovely movement and freedom of curl happening. But this can only be done once the curls are fully dry. You'll notice I'm not raking my fingers through. If I raked my fingers through at this point, what would happen is I would break apart all these lovely curl clumps. So we want to make sure that when we break the curl cast, we are working with claws and just working through like so. Okay, so here you have it. We have finished styling Kiara's hair. Just as a final recap for you all, we started with cleansed and hydrated hair. We then went in with cruise control first and then layered over the top the oomph. That was my choice for Kiara's styling and preference of curl. Now, product selection can be completely up to you, so try different products on either your client's hair or your own child's hair to find the best match for their curls, but that's one of Kiara's favorite combos for her hair. Then we worked through, built the curls, used our glove to take out the excess moisture, and then hit it with the diffuser to speed up the drying time. For our next day situation, so tomorrow morning, Kiara will most likely grab her water spray and mist her hair down and re-establish her curl definition. There won't be the need to add more product, or if anything, maybe a tiny bit of cruise control. But like I said before, it's completely up to you what you decide to choose in terms of product selection. One of the best ways to preserve your kids' hair from getting matted as they sleep, because we all know that is a real thing, is our cozies. So Kiara, do you want to show how you put your cozy on? So slide it over the head and then flick the hair out and then show us what you do, babe. Now, as you can see, this is now covering and protecting her hair from all the friction of the pillow slip. Now, if you have quite a restless sleeper, one of the things you can do is just grab a silk scrunchie or something up here, and you can just tie a loop up the top, and that will help it stop flapping around and slipping off during the night. Then all you need to do in the morning is, I'm gonna pull it off, da, 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 and give it a shake, a little spritz of water, and there you will have refreshed, lovely, not crazy morning bed hair, hey? Here you have our Curls Made Easy routine for our minis. I hope this has helped you, and remember, natural looks good on you.